Space. It's vast, dark, and incredibly empty. This profound emptiness is called a vacuum. A vacuum is a place with almost no stuff in it. No air, no dust, just vast emptiness. Imagine a sealed jar with all the air removed. That jar holds a vacuum like space on a giant scale. Space is unbelievably big, with stars and planets far apart. Gravity pulls stuff together, forming stars and planets, leaving voids. This emptiness allows light from distant stars to travel unimpeded. It reaches our telescopes, letting us see far-off galaxies. If space were filled with air, light would scatter. The vacuum is our clear window to the universe. Kind of like a teenager's fridge, mostly empty, with just a few things scattered around. Hear that? No, of course you don't. In space, there's no air to carry sound. Space movies with loud booms? Not real. They're as real as unicorns. Sound needs a medium like air or water to travel. Without air, there's just cosmic silence. Heat in space is tricky and dangerous. Direct sunlight makes you intensely hot, shadows make you very cold. Astronauts wear special suits for air and temperature control. These suits are essential for survival. Without a suit, the vacuum of space is deadly. Your lungs would empty, and you'd face extreme temperatures. Space demands our utmost respect. Imagine if outer space was filled with air, like Earth's atmosphere, extending everywhere. You could step outside your spaceship and breathe. Sounds nice, right? Maybe not. It'd be like trying to breathe in a sauna. But air creates drag, slowing down planets. Earth would lose speed in its orbit, changing its path. That's bad for life as we know it. Fire needs oxygen, and space filled with air would be flammable. Meteors would blaze fiercely and re-entry would be riskier. The universe would become a highly flammable place. Planets could overheat, disrupting the delicate balance. Life would struggle in this chaotic environment. The vacuum of space is perfect. It allows celestial bodies to move freely. Planets can orbit stars for billions of years. Galaxies spin without much slowing down. There's virtually no friction to stop their motion. This lack of resistance allows stable orbits. We observe these predictable cosmic dances. The vast emptiness of space is not a flaw. It's a crucial feature of our universe. It allows light to travel across vast distances. It helps keep things from constantly crashing. The vacuum is just right, part of space's magic. The cosmos awaits our exploration and curiosity.